we're visiting a small amusement park in the Philippines. Welcome to Star City. So we're just gonna buy our tickets now and we're gonna go on some rides. This is our park map. Small amusement park. A roller coaster. Another one. What the? They didn't draw the trash on this one. It's only an apple and a worm. This kind of sucks. They don't draw the actual ride on the map. And then we got another one, Starflyer. I want to ride that one. I don't know. So
Take a vlog. Take a vlog.
yeah. So unfortunately, the one I want to ride, Starflyer, is not going to be open.
Probably.
But we're going to be heading on some rides right now. So we're going to enjoy our day. So yeah, we'll see you then. Got some displays over. Train. We got train. We got jeeps. I think this is a chariot. They got display. They got vintage cars. It's really nice to see this. Never got some big street names. It's really amazing and beautiful. There's Star City. As we go further, trying to get some carnival games too. It's really nice here. There's Star City. There's outdoor rides too. Get a lot soon. I want to ride, but it's closed. Got some flat rides out here. We got a top spin. And Starflyer is over there. We got a pendulum ride. Starflyer's on the other side. Going on the dinosaur ride. So check it out. Well, it wasn't a ride. I just showed some clips, but those are not the queue line. So it was only just like a museum thing. It's like a sightseeing thing. You just walk around, see different dinosaurs. It's really nothing. It's just a see-through attraction. We're gonna ride this Himalaya ride. It's this like the Matterhorn at Cedar Point. So it's just kind of Himalaya ride where you just go forwards fast and backwards. It's a flat ride. So check it out. This ride is closed, so we're gonna ride something else. So we just got off the Himalaya ride, but this is closed. Just a closer look on the other part of the park. So there's a log flume, and I just showed you the top spin over there, and yeah, they're closed right now because of the weather. There's the Egyptian coaster. Got another roller coaster, the Rocky Worm. Maybe we'll ride that, I'm not sure. Start off the Rocky Worm. We nicknamed it as Spider-Man the ride because of the colors. Start off. Fun little rides too. Kind of boring because it's meant for the families, but it's a fun ride. There's the lock flume. We're gonna go on the Egyptian spinning coaster next. Egyptian coaster is next. Visa spinning coaster. There's a lot of these in the world. It's cloned, but we'll try to ride it anyway. Look at that beauty. So actually, we're riding Time Warp. It's a walk through maze, I think. Check it out. So we're not in the maze. This is just a walk through attraction, just like the dinosaur attraction. This is the galaxy. Up in front, you see some things that are related to outer space. It's really nice in here. There's another viewing area. Some weird mirrors. Like look at me. I look fat, right? I look like a small head. It's really nice in here. We got some test tubes right here, like these electrical tubes here. We got these plasma screen balls, but they're not working. We got the Egyptian area of the walkthrough. It's really nice. It kind of looks scary, but we're just like here to just check things around. There are more Egyptian type of things in here, like maybe a mummy, the mongoose, the turfs. I don't know how you call them. Is that Aquaman right there? No, that's not. We got Greece. We got the maps of the. I think these are made out of clay, but we're not supposed to touch them. So this is like a temple, like I think Neptune's temple from Atlantis. Yeah, we got Zeus, we got a Spartan's head, we got a vase, we got some stuff here. Look at that, we got some like secret messages on the stones or the rocks. It's really awesome to see something like this. We don't have a lot of exhibits in Fresno like this, or at least anywhere. And not necessarily where I live, but like this is a cool exhibit. Like I wish to put more attractions like this, like where I live, so I would have a little bit of fun. But and of course you need to pay before you enter, of course. But it's really nice. They got some nice paintings. We got the Philippines here. Look at that. Got the map of the Philippines just hung on the wall. It's not a dark ride. We just walk around and just check things around. Well, if it was a maze, we're not supposed to film on, you know, if it's a maze, so they don't allow it. But this is not a maze, so we can film here. But there's another Spartan. It's a knight. We got an astronaut here. We got a penguin. The skeleton looks scary, right? And we got I think this is Cleopatra in the painting. We got another statue. We got a tube here. We got some paintings on the wall. Huh? The good KKK? Okay. Oh my God, that scared me a little bit. That's a dinosaur's head. We got a lot of paintings in here too. Now we're entering this crazy tunnel here with lights. They're like flashing, and looks like that's a half head and a half body, which is really kind of scary looking. But here's the tubes we're in, so yeah. Here are some more paintings on the wall, so they really did a good job with this painting. They got a triangle painting, got some Filipino related food that's on the wall, some sheeps, some yeah. And then we got like a broccoli here, it's awesome to see. And a big camel here. Really nice. Camels looks like they have two heads. I never seen a camel like that. Not to be honest. But these are weird mirrors. You can see, like me, I'm like very stretched. Over here, I have a small head but a big tummy. And over here, we got some weirder mirrors. So again, I'm like really stretched. Like a ripple effect. And there are more paintings here on the walls. We got a water bottle. We got seems to be like an animal there. Looks like a We got a peacock, I think. We got something. We got a hand. We got a snake that looks really scary. And that one also looks scary. So we go on the maze. This is probably something that you're familiar with in the loop when the legend does a tour like this. And we open up the curtains and the ride is over. We're gonna go on this one next. Unfortunately, I couldn't get any footage in there because it's a maze attraction. They don't let you film, but it was kind of terrifying if you are scared of like those creatures, those stuff, you know, like forest-related stuff, bats, skeletons. So don't go on it if you're scared. But it was fun. It's like it could be a dark ride if it could, but it's not. It's a maze. So right here we got Star Flyer. Then we're gonna go on this one next. We just got off the Egyptian spinning coaster. It was a fun ride. Enjoyed it. We got a little bit of spinning slowly, but this is a SBF Visa spinning coaster. It was enjoyable, so I liked it, but definitely not my favorite. But it's a nice green color. It was really fun to go on. But it looks like we're gonna ride Log Flume. See you then. So we're going on Jungle Splash. We're going to Jungle Splash. This is our Log Flume. So we're gonna fall in line. Okay, I just got off Jungle Splash, the Log Flume. I didn't get wet that much. Just wet on my shoulder. I didn't get wet that much, but it was still a fun log flume. Alright. we're riding Starflyer. I don't know if it's open, but we'll try to go on it if we could. Look at that mess of track here. This is all Pinfari track, and we're gonna try to go on Starflyer if we can. We're gonna go to Snow World, but we can't film inside, so it's just a little play area. But that's the Snow World Manila. We're gonna go ride next. I think Starflyer is still closed, so we'll check back on it and see if it's open. We have Christmas lights spread onto the theming here. Funny, it's not Christmas yet. They put it up just for the ride. Alright, it's just opened up, so we made a change in plans. We're riding this one. Well, I had a disappointment. I lost the credit. The ride's closed, so we weren't able to ride this today. What a bummer. Came back to Snow World Manila, so we're gonna go on it next. Starflyer's closed, so hop on this one. So Starflyer's still closed, but we're gonna ride the Ferris wheel now. It's really high up, so my guess is about maybe 200, 300 feet in the air. I feel like it's 300 feet, so we'll go hop on and we'll enjoy the gentle ride and be able to see the rest of Makati, I guess. So see you then. Alright, we're going up the Ferris wheel. We see Makati from the window, from our cabin here in the Ferris wheel. It's really nice. Get a nice view of the mall, nice view of the condominiums, office buildings. And right here we can have a good view of Starflyer right here. So we're going up the Ferris wheel very gentle. So it's going to be approximately about 300 feet in the air. And it's pretty high. You don't need a roller coaster like this high here in the Philippines. I wish in China Kingdom built one. So you see the rest of Starflyer. Sorry, the camera won't focus. Now I'm trying to make it focus, but it's not. There's the ride currently testing. It's hard to get it's not focusing though. Let me see if I could. I don't know if you can see it now. Yeah, that's the Starflyer. It's not really HD. There's the pendulum ride. Really nice view. And yeah, you get the rest of Makati. Yeah, Mall of Asia is down over there. It's really nice. You see that the bay. Yeah, the bay is over there, right behind us. It's really nice to see. We'll not be able to see it once we're completely on the top. It's really nice. So MOA is like over there. We're really going up the Ferris wheel. Yeah, we're going up really slow. There's the rest of the city. It's a beautiful view. I think if you like views, go on the Ferris wheel of Star City because you can see like a lot from up here. 300 feet in the air, so it's really nice. You know, imagine a giga coaster. Oh wow! Imagine a giga coaster this high in China Kingdom. That would be really nice. But there's more condos down there. There's a shopping mall. There's a lot of stores around here. You can see the cars driving by. It's really nice. So highly recommend to try it if you're into views. And MOA is just right down over there. It's really nice. Alright guys, I think we got some good news. It just reopened. Starflyer just reopened. We're gonna try to give it a try. And we'll try to go on it. We'll see. We'll see first. But it looks like we're gonna go ride it now. They said it's up and running, but we still have a close time though, but I don't know if it's closed. I don't know if we could still make it because there are people falling in line now. So forget about what that person said. They're not closed or open. They just opened back up and we got a chance to ride Starflyer. And I was happy because at least I didn't miss this credit. It's like a Vekoma SLC, but it's a little bit better. It's not as rough. So it's built by Pinfari though, but it's not like one of the best rides here. It's an okay ride, but it's not as rough. So they're open back up. We just got off of it. And, I just had fun with this ride. I wouldn't say it's my favorite, but yeah, we got off from Starflyer. I think we're gonna sign off here. So that's gonna be a wrap. We just also got off the Ferris wheel behind me, so that's gonna be a wrap for today. It is a small theme park here, amusement park here in Star City in the Philippines. We enjoyed it so far, and yeah, we loved it. I've gone to almost all the rides, and it was a fun day today.